Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the book is fully live on Amazon with a final ASIN. Once done, decide your primary goal, sales, page reads, or ranking, because that determines ad type and metrics to watch. Next, open Amazon Advertising and link the ASIN to a new campaign. Use automatic targeting first to gather data quickly. Automated ads reveal converting keywords and audiences. While they run, set a conservative daily budget and a 7-14-day observation window to collect meaningful performance signals. Once you have enough clicks and sales, dive into the search term report to find high-converting keywords and negative terms. Then create manual campaigns, one for exact/high-intent keywords and one for phrase/broad testing. Also add product-targeted ads against similar books. Make bid changes based on ROAS and ACOs. Raise bids for top converters to increase exposure and lower bids or pause terms that waste spend. Continually add negatives to automatic campaigns so your budget steers toward profitable traffic. To finish, scale winning campaigns slowly, boost daily budgets by 10 to 30%, and monitor conversion rates each week. Rotate ad creatives and experiment with price promotions or different blurb hooks to combat ad fatigue. A /B test cover images if possible. Keep tracking ACOs and lifetime value to ensure profitability. If conversions drop, troubleshoot by checking the book page, price, cover, and reviews. Make sure targeting matches buyer intent, and add negative keywords to filter unqualified clicks immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.